In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and use the Pine editor in the TradingView mobile app. If you want to view a Pine script, make a small adjustment, or quickly add an indicator script to your chart while you're on your phone, TradingView gives you a simple mobile option for that. Just keep in mind that the mobile app is best for viewing scripts and making basic edits. If you plan to do more advanced coding or full script development, the desktop version will usually give you a much smoother experience. To get started, open the TradingView mobile app and load any chart you want to work with. You can choose a chart you already use regularly or open a new market chart if needed. The important thing is that you're inside the chart view before moving forward, because that's where the editor tools are accessed from. Once the chart is open, look for the More button on the navigation bar. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Tap that to open the additional options menu. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to check the bottom or side navigation area depending on your device layout. The More menu is where a lot of secondary tools are stored, so this is the key place to access features that aren't shown directly on the main chart screen. From that menu, tap Pine Editor. This will open the editor area inside the mobile app. Again, mobile support here is more limited than desktop, so the interface may feel more compact, but it still works well for reviewing code or making simple changes. When the Pine editor opens, you can either view the script that's already there or paste your own Pine script code into the text field. If you're pasting code, make sure the script is complete and formatted properly so TradingView can read it correctly. On a phone screen, it can be easy to miss small formatting issues, so take your time and scroll through the code carefully. After your script is in place, tap Add to Chart or Save, depending on the option shown in your app. This will render the indicator script on your chart so you can see it in action. If the script is valid, it should appear on the chart right away. If it doesn't, review the code for any mistakes or unsupported edits made on mobile. That's all it takes to access the Pine editor on TradingView Mobile, load your script, and apply it to a chart.